Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I saw a very disturbing video a while ago on Facebook and I decided to bring it here for you guys to, not just to have a look and pass. No, these people are Ghanaians in Nigeria. Yes, a husband and wife. They need help. They need our help. Hey, please, I beg una. As I no get plenty money to support them, the only means I have is to bring the video here so you guys can help. You understand? They are your brother and sister. I beg, Muna, help these people. Hey, the reason why I'm talking this way is because I've watched the video already. I've watched the video and it's very sad. It's very, very, I can imagine what they are feeling right now. You see, I know you guys, I know Ghanaians, you guys helped us. You've helped Nigerians, not just Nigerians, people from other countries. Is it your own? You will not help? Please, they need your help. They need help. Guys, enough of the talk. Please take a look at the video and I'll be right back.
I received a call from one of our Rata brothers from Nigeria yesterday concerning a Ghanaian man and his wife that had a fire accident in Nigeria. According to him, these people has been in Nigeria for many years and they know them very well. He know them very well because the man is a fashion designer. He's so close for school children. I beg, before I continue listening to the man himself, I will blend their body because of the way the video is for social media not to take it down.
Yeah, good afternoon. I beg, please, so these are the people who are tested their bomb for Nigeria. They did Bayelsa State like this, and the video they take. So I want to ask them where they come from. Sir, I beg, explain how it happened and where you come from.
I come from around the south of Togo.
Speak loud.
I come from.
That's
Airway.
Water region.
Please, let her help me.
Fire, don't go.
Fire, tell me and my wife. Please, let her help me.
Last year, October 16.
Oh.
16, this happened.
What be the community name?
Ojoya Kofe.
What be the copper name?
For you.
Where you come from?
I don't go for them.
No go for them. Okay, but if you speak small,
If you speak.
you speak.
I don't go. Ya dada kunya fofolo.
Ghana they speak so.
Ya talk near for phone.
Ya no view.
The coconut me.
Mi pere nya kuswanti. Generator ele zo nya kuswanti. America mule nya
Oh, lack of light, lack of electricity is generated across all of this.
Bodo nya megbele le pampa. Damu le nya ikonjo. Amowe le kare nya ti le damu le. Ni po kara. Amowe le damu le kan ni. Amowe le nya benu. Ya to Ghana to mi pere nya ti.
When did it happen?
First,
16 October.
So what do you need now? What do you need?
Last year.
help.
We need food help. We need money.
Medical help.
Medical help.
Medical help.
Okay.
Medical help.
So
So
that's
this my hand can work again.
So that's what I'm saying. See they need help. See the bomb. Because when they took place the bomb, they said that nobody to help them. No picking. Only they just did like this house like this. No light. So you see the neighbor and this neighbor and they help them.
Ghanaians, I beg you in the name of God. When I received this call yesterday, I wasn't having enough because I just there are some things I take care of concerning one Nigerian girl that is stranded in Tamale. I have to bring her to Accra, look for a job for her. So I wasn't having enough. When the guy tell me the story, I have to tell him. The video he sent to me, it wasn't clear. I told him to go back again. I have to send him the money that is in my money point in Nigeria, 15,000 naira. I send it to him to buy food and to buy some water and make sure that they get something to eat yesterday and today. So please, we need help of these people. Presently, the guy have told me that they don't have children there. According to the man, he has 2 children with another woman, a Ghanaian woman. So the children have grown up and they are not there. They don't even know what is going on. And this woman that that is with him now is another wife. So they don't have children that is with them. So we have to put somebody there and that will be paying every 2 weeks to be taking care of them, at least bath them and make sure that he take care of them every day by day. We'll be
They
paying
really
the
need
person
help.
every 2 weeks before they recover fully. Now, feeding is the main problem, not even medication. Feeding
And
is the main
hospital
problem.
now. Look
According to the
at the
man,
injury.
only their neighbor, they are the one preparing food for them with their own money. Not that they came to the house to prepare food. They prepare their own food and also share with them. So please, we need support on these people. I know what you guys can do. Please, anything at all. These people have to stand up again and start living well. It's not easy. When I hear the thing, I never believe it. I have to call them on video call. As you can see, I talk to them on video call to make sure that everything is true before they record this video for me again. If you want to support this family, if you 10 CD, 20 CD, 100 CD, 1000 CDs, you want to support them, please DM me. DM me with this number or WhatsApp. Okay. From Voter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. My brother, you tell me say you get a fire accident. So the way you
Okay,
introduce
that's
yourself,
when I
that
was talking
place,
to them.
I can see it. Hey, I can see it. The video when you do, I see your wife. And the video when you do, ash.
It's sad, guys.
I don't tell the manage.
Hey.
They don't come in. People, when they play, people go bring this one, then they can cook for us.
Okay.
So I be dey ask am whether una no get grown up pikin for Nigeria or Ghana here. I don't know.
No, with me and my wife, we know right back home. They never come. So now me get I get one boy, one girl, but they don't match on the day to go.
In the day to go. Okay. Okay.
So you guys have seen. You've seen. I can imagine what these people are going through. Eh? Look at generator. Generator. Most people use generator. Look at what generator is casting. Look at. I believe if these people have means of returning back, they will come back. They will prefer to come back to Ghana with the insecurity and everything. What are they still doing in Nigeria? That's the first thing that came to my head. What are they still doing in Nigeria? Don't they have family in Ghana? They should come back now. They should come back. Look at their situation. Look at their situation. Look at the room they are living. Look at. If not because they have good neighbors that are helping them even with food and everything, I can imagine what they'll be going through. Please, guys, please, I beg you, as I no get money to give these people, but I get platform. And that's the reason why I brought this video here. So you guys will see, yes, not just with your eye, I beg, put hand for your pocket, carry your phone, mobile money, send, I beg, even though now 1 CD, 2 CD, it's something, okay? The original owner of this video posted a Momo number. I'm going to put it on here. You guys, I beg help. No be my Momo number. Now the person where I carry this video for him page, Momo number, I beg. His name is John Star. Now a number be that. I mean Momo number. Mona help these people. I beg. And as you are sending the money, write my name. Yes, write my name there so that you go know say the money come from my channel. You understand? I beg. Mona help these people. Mona help them. Ghanaians. I know Una now. You guys are capable. Oh, Ghanaians in the diaspora. You guys helped me a lot. Now your brother needs help. I beg you in the name of God. You guys have seen the video now. You've seen what these people are going through. They need help. You can imagine somebody, you will never understand until you travel, go another country and get stranded. That's when you understand the pain and, oh my God, the trauma. I'm just imagining what these people are going through with the burn. Hardship plus burn. Look at the injury. The woman She was obviously half naked because of pain. Look at. Sometimes pain can even make you stand naked without even minding. And that's what these people are going through. Please, they need our help. They need our help. I beg. Me pacho, why? I beg. Mona help them. Mona help them. Please. Na beg at the bekuna. Please. Please. Thank you so much as you do that. And may God bless you. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. But before I go, I would love to ask you this question. And in the comment section, that's where I want you to drop your answers, okay? All right. Do you think these people should keep staying in Nigeria in their condition? Yeah, with the condition they are into, or returning back to Ghana is the best thing to do? Please, this question goes to you guys. Let me know. And as we are answering the question, you should know, say, the majority carry the vote. If you want them to come back, you should make sure that you will be able to, contribute money for them to return back and give them something to do. Yes, I believe there are better opportunities here in Ghana than Nigeria. I'm telling you, because if you don't get money for that country, you will never get good job. Even people doing government job, how much? How much are they paying them? The money is not much. Oh. And before you open eye, is it open eye close? Is it close eye open? Money don't finish. Even government workers. I'm telling you guys, I'm a Nigerian. I went back home. I think I came back. I spent like a month, almost 2 months in Nigeria. I came back November. And I'm here telling you guys, that country is very hard. That's the northern part of Nigeria. And in every country, northern part is cheaper. I don't know about Western world, but in Africa, northern part is always cheaper. I don't know why it's like that. If I complain that north is expensive, you can imagine where these people are. I think they said they are in Bayelsa. That place is expensive. Oh. It's expensive. Not that this man is not even working. I know sewing there can give him money, can generate a lot of money for him, but now he's not working. Do you think the best thing for him is to return back home to Ghana and get something, maybe this sewing himself? You get plenty money in Ghana, but first of all, they have to treat those injuries. Is treating it in Nigeria better, or you think they should come back? Please, as you're answering the question, you should know, say, your hand, they open like this to help. I'm telling you, please, let's help these people. Let's help them. As it is right now, poverty is even making them, the situation around them is not even making them think right. They need our help, seriously. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. I love you guys. But before I go again, I would love to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super happy to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you guys always. Bye-bye.